Alright guys, so a customer brought this saw in, says that the brake is stuck, so we're going to go through how to figure out what's going on with the brake and why it won't work. Still got stickers and everything on this thing, but first thing we're going to do is, alright, so that brake is working. Hold on, let me set up my camera. Alright, so the brake is off and chain just will not budge, it's just stuck in there. So we're going to pop this nut off. I use a stihl tool, it's got everything you need, even this torque that you use for most of the parts on this. But if you don't have the stihl tool, I'll put this in the description below for you. They're cheap and they're great to have when you got a stihl. This is my most used tool in the shop. If you don't have that, it's 3/4 or 19 millimeter. Pop this cover off. Slide it out. Chain and bar off. Alright, looks like we're going to get on into this. Okay, so I'm not sure, but it looks like the plastic all melted around inside. Looks like they were running it with the brake on and then all this melted and kept the brake on. That's what it looks like to me. So pop it apart, see what we can see. It's just twisty glue. Just get a screwdriver in here, try to pop it out. So I got no space to do it with the phone in the way. Alright, let me get the phone out of the way and do this. Once you got that out, it's just a clip. Remove this washer. This thing, there we go. Yeah, look, we got plastic all up in here. This bearing is toast. Look at that. That is crazy. This thing got super hot. Toasted the bearing. You can see the bearings sticking out right there. Let's see if I can get this thing to pop out. So that's our issue. The bearings went on us. There we go. They just crumbled. I mean, there's not even the plastic piece that held all the bearings is completely gone. It's melted up into this thing. It's crazy. Bearings are still stuck in it. Oh, their plastic's breaking out at least. So all I have to do is get the clutch bearing. So that's what this thing needs. Clean it all out and a clutch bearing. I'm pretty sure that now that all that's taken care of, that this will work or spin properly. No, why not? I'm going to have to take that off too. This is going to have to come out, and I'm going to have to grind the extra plastic off of it as well. Crazy. See how it's holding it. It's holding it this way because all that plastic melted. He must have been running this with the brake lock on. Alright, so I'm just going to put this together. I'm going to order the new clutch bearing, and then I'll do another video of me fixing this when the clutch bearing comes in. At least you got a good idea on what to do, what to look for. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Just a simple diagnostic video. I'll put that special tool that I use in the description below. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you.